So if you've lost an AirTag or the item which you had tagged with an AirTag, then here's what to do. Simply go to your iPhone and open up the Find My app, and then you want to go to items and find your specific AirTag that's lost. So for me, mine is this one. My backpack, which had my AirTag, is lost. Well, it's not lost. I'm just assuming it's lost. So it has to be away from your iPhone. So you want to open up that AirTag, and the first thing you'll do is try and locate the AirTag on a map. Okay, so you should be able to see exactly where it is on a map. Then you can open up that AirTag's information. Now you can use the play sound or find. Okay, so you can try and play a sound, and if you're able to connect to it, then it's going to play a sound. Okay, so it says not reachable. Then you can try the find nearby. This is going to try and help you locate the AirTag in case you're near the AirTag. But in case you're not near the AirTag, maybe it got left in a different geographical location, a couple of things you can do. One is to share the AirTag. Now you can add a person to share that AirTag with, maybe someone who's closer to that location, and they'll be able to maybe try and track that AirTag for you. But the best thing you can do is go to the lost AirTag section. Now from here, there are a couple of things you can do. You can go to show contact info and add your contact information to that lost AirTag. So you can just tap on continue and then add either a phone number or your email address, so that if someone finds that AirTag, they can be able to reach you. Okay, so you can also turn on the notifier when found. Basically, it means when someone finds your AirTag and maybe scans it with their phone, you should get a notification. Now there's also going to be a default message that says this item has been lost, please call me, and then of course you've put your phone number there, and then you can tap on show information. You're basically adding your contact information in real time to the lost AirTag. So that's the information added there. Now, like I said, you can share item location. So let's say you spoke to someone, maybe you lost your bag in a hotel or at the airport, and you're speaking to someone at the airport. You can actually choose to share your AirTag's location with that particular person. So you can tap on share item location, tap on continue, and then this is the link for that AirTag's location. So you can tap on share link, or you can copy and then send it via text message or email or WhatsApp, or whichever method you think is best to share that AirTag. Now, once they find that link, they can be able to open with their phone and try to locate your specific AirTag. So on the other side, basically two things are going to happen. Either a stranger will find your item and your AirTag, and what they need to do is simply go to the Find My app on the iPhone. If they have an iPhone, go to the items particular AirTag. Now, it does work sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't work. And this can also work for Android phones as well. Okay, so as long as you have NFC turned on your Android phone, you can be able to just place it like this, and the information of that lost AirTag will appear. Alternatively, you could have, if you have sent your location information or shared it with someone, that person can simply go to that particular message. For instance, you can see this is the link, direct link to find a specific lost AirTag, and then they say find lost item, continue in my Find My. It's going to open that, and they can see that a second generation AirTag has been found, and then they can play a sound to try and reach it, or they can also see the information of the owner of that particular AirTag. Okay, they can even see the serial number, and they have the location information of that AirTag's owner, and they can simply use that information to reach out to the owner of that AirTag. All right, thanks for watching, and good luck.